at the federal level. We have people blowing up Christmas parties and running people down in New York, like President Trump said. And despite that, one police officer in 14 in this country is a full-time narcotics officer, to absolutely no impact. But my profession and the society is not yet ready to say, you know what, we made a mistake with this prohibition, just like our grandparents did 80 years ago with the alcohol prohibition. It was a mistake, and we need to change it, get rid of it, and then return my profession to chasing real bad guys trying to hurt you and your family.
So when we had the original prohibition, that created gangsters like Al Capone, right? Yeah. So now we have this other prohibition. We're creating the same gangsters, the same criminals, and same negative consequence.
Yeah. The capos from Mexico, Guzman and his friends over the years, who are all replaced like that. They're the ones who are causing pain, suffering, and death in our inner cities with all the gang violence, the MS-13. They sell drugs. But without drugs to sell, experts have told me gangs will be cut in half, just like that. I mean, that's one way to reduce the violence amongst our children, our young adults, is to end the prohibition. And secondly, by the way, as much as we grieve for Florida, my analysis is every day in America, 18 teenagers, young people, are shot selling drugs off sidewalks. Every day, 18. This is another unintended consequence of the prohibition. We're not taking care of our children. We're providing them with a bad employment option, which the government will tell you almost 1 million teenagers today are employed by the drug trade. This is immoral.
So if anyone should know this, it's you and the other law enforcement officials that have taken to tell the truth to the American people with bravery and courage that I admire. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Detective.
Thank you for your time.
I really wish you success because you're doing great work.
Thank you. We are closer and closer. Especially at CPAC, we're having more and more conservatives turn more libertarian, if you will, less government intrusion, more personal freedom. And so that's why I come to CPAC. I've seen a serious change in the last 10 years with these conservatives saying on the drug war, because it is a nanny state liberal policy. Prohibition, where you think the government's going to fix stupid using a police officer. That's why more and more, especially the kids here, the young adults, the college students, are waking up and then they're telling their parents, Dad, Mom, this is a bad idea. So thank you.
Absolutely, and thank you for the interview.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Good luck.